everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today, another Trader Joe's lunch special. This time, we're gonna go for Trader Joe's Chicken Tikka Masala. There it is. It says chicken and spiced tomato sauce with rice. I like Chicken Tikka Masala. I eat it at Indian restaurants all the time. Hi, Biggie. So I can't wait to try this Trader Joe's Chicken Tikka Masala version for lunch. Let's go make it. This is what it looks like. There's the chicken, the sauce. It's the rice. All right, time to try the Trader Joe's Chicken Tikka Masala. See how it compares to the real Indian restaurant. Dip a piece of bread. It's good. It's good. Spicy. I like the spicy sauce. I'm actually surprised. It tastes better than what I expected it to taste. Try a piece of chicken. Here's a piece of chicken. And that rice. I'm definitely impressed. I really like the chicken and the sauce. Since I'm Eastern European, I prefer bread over rice. And the chicken tastes good. Some naan bread. Be perfect. Three minutes in the microwave. That's all it takes. Turned out great. Turned out really good. I would definitely buy this again. Another winner from Trader Joe's. I like these little heated serve. This is delicious chicken tikka masala from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go back in and finish this. If you guys like chicken tikka, stop by Trader Joe's, get yourself 1 or 2 of these, keep it in your fridge, eat it when you're ready. It's pretty good, you won't be disappointed. That's all I got for you today. And this is Neil from Parks and Pizza. Thank you for stopping by. See you guys in the next video.